Young World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how I made my first $10,000 on YouTube. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Young World. Now, as you can see, we in the back end on my YouTube studio looking at my YouTube analytics. And right here, I got pulled up my lifetime earnings. Now, as you can see, my channel has earned $12,170. Now, the bulk of that money came from 2019 to right now, September 2nd, 2020. And I'm about to explain how I did this and why it took my channel so long to start earning money. Because as you can see, my channel was created on February 18th, 2014, right? And I'm about to break down my whole YouTube journey and just to share with y'all how I earned $10,000 this year, just in 2020. I earned $10,000 alone on my channel. So if we go back to 2014, you can see this is when I created my YouTube channel. Now, back in 2014, I had no intentions of making money off YouTube. I just did it as a creative outlet for myself. And for the next 3 years, I just created random YouTube videos. You can see it's gaps in between the time. Like one time I uploaded in 2015, October 25th, and then I didn't upload again until August 11th, 2016. So, I wasn't really taking it serious like that. I didn't see YouTube as a way which I was going to be earning money in the future. And 2017, I get monetized. 2017 is when I get monetized in February of 2017. You can see I started off, I wasn't making that much money on my channel, dollar a day, probably, some days 94 cents, some days 64 cents. I wasn't making a lot on my channel in 2017, and that continued on. For a while, 75-cent days, $1.44 days. I was just, pushing along, and, going into 2018, I had a little peak and I saw, what the money could do. I was seeing like $25 days, $13 days. I'm like, okay. And going into 2018, it remained the same. It leveled up a little bit. It leveled up. Now I'm making like $2 a day, $4 a day, $3 a day. Still some $1.90 days, $1.80 days, but mainly it was around $5, $3 a day, that I would make on my channel. And then at the end of 2018, I got demonetized. On my channel. And I think this was for reused content. So on YouTube, you cannot post other people's videos and get paid for it. You can't make compilation videos, even though these videos, generate a lot of money. A lot of people have got smarter in today's time, and you can copyright, a meme. If you made a meme of yourself and it went viral, and like people was reusing that image or video of you, in multiple different skits and compilation videos, you could, flag it and you get the money from it. So it's ways to do that now. And I was making compilation videos, and I had got demonetized for that. So 2019, I was like, I'll rebrand myself. I'm gonna do something different on YouTube. I started doing law of attraction videos, and I started doing strand reviews, on YouTube, and I was getting a lot of traffic from that. I was seeing, my numbers going up. I'm averaging like $10, $12 a day. It got real crazy one month, $80, $60 a day, $70 a day. It was some big months in there. $84 a day, $37 a day, $72 in a day. That's why 2019 I earned a lot of money. I probably earned about $2,000 in 2019, and it just kind of died down at in 2019 toward the end of the year. I was creating content on YouTube, which I couldn't monetize, which was the strand reviews, but it was getting a lot of views. It was getting a lot of traction, but I couldn't monetize the views. So when I did try to monetize those videos, I got demonetized. And you can see that right here in October 2019, demonetized again. So this was my second time getting demonetized on YouTube. Got remonetized November, made, $5 to $10 a day, then demonetized because I didn't delete all of my strand reviews, and I still was trying to monetize that content when you can't monetize content that is age restricted, as that's age restricted on YouTube, and I was still trying to do that. So they had demonetized me for that. So going into 2020, at the end of 2019, I knew I had to rebrand myself. I knew I wanted to approach YouTube differently. So I got monetized I got monetized again at the beginning of 2020. When was it? Like January 9th maybe, or January 11th, I think. Yeah, like January 14th. Let's just say January 14th. 2020, I got monetized again, starting off making $5 a day. Now, my approach in 2020 was different because I learned about CPM. And CPM on YouTube is how much you get paid per 1,000 views. Now, my CPM looks low right here. It says $11. My playback based CPM and my RPM is $2. It looks low because we're looking at the total lifespan of my channel from 2014 till now. But currently, my CPM, I'm earning about $12 per 1,000. My actual RPM is $12 per 1,000. My playback based CPM is like $26 per 1,000 views, and this is because of the content I decided to make in 2020. I wanted to make more content, financial related. I wanted to make more content about how to earn money online, more content about the law of attraction, because I was seeing that these videos have a higher CPM. Some videos I was creating, about how to set up YouTube ad campaigns. Videos like that have $100 CPM, $100 per 1,000, and I was seeing the results of just me posting videos like that. Starting out 2020, I was averaging. My averages went up way higher. You can see back in 2019, I was averaging $6 a day, $9 a day. That was my average. In 2020, I came out the gate averaging $30 a day, $20 a day, and it was just going up from there. March kind of went how it did, and you could see it was a growth. It's just a upward growth trend. We averaging about $15 a day normally. Then with some huge spikes in May. I made $165 in one day. Let me get that. $165 in one day. Can we get that focus back? Hold on. Let me get it. 152 May 23rd. And I made 165 one of them days. $165 on May 19th. So this was my biggest day on YouTube in 2020. May 19th, $165, man. And I just stayed consistent. And now you can see how the slope is just increasing. Now I'm averaging $35 a day on average, $46 a day, $50, $39, $41 one day, $37 another day, $39, $33, $44. It just adds up now. And compared to the slopes of the previous years, you can see this growth. And if you look at my timeline from 2014, you see these huge gaps, months without posting, months, almost a year right here without posting. And when we get into 2019, you see all these squares are more cluttered up because from 2019 to 2020, where we at right now, I've uploaded over 700 videos, man. Just on this channel alone. Total, because I have another YouTube channel, I probably uploaded over 900 videos just from 2019 to 2020. And, you know, these videos, I look at them, each as digital real estate, and the more videos I make, it compounds on interest, and that's what I'm seeing. Even if a video only pays me $1.50, the more videos I make around those niches, around those topics, it builds on my channel, and it compounds, and the interest, and the snowballs, and just, you know, it all YouTube adds up your views, on your channel as one, as a total, the total views for the day out of all your videos. How many views did all of your videos get today? And we're gonna average the CPM of that, and we're gonna pay you out the RPM. So if we look at the last 28 days on my channel, you can see my RPM is $12. $12, and my playback based CPM is $26. Right, earning $30, $40 a day, $68 one day, 54, 46, 46, 39, and it just adds up. The more videos you put out with a higher CPM, those views add up, the money, generates, and the more videos you create on your channel, it just compounds the interest, and the more money you make in the future. So yeah, that's how I earned my first $10,000 on YouTube. Made my first $10,000 in 2020. It's only September right now, so we still got the holiday ad revenue months. And I noticed on YouTube, just so far from me, being on here around May and around the holidays is when the ads are the best. Around May and around the holidays. So yeah, it's your boy Young World. Thank y'all for watching my video. I hope y'all learned something new today. I earned my first $10,000 on YouTube by switching up the program on my channel. I started talking about how to earn money online. I started making more videos on my channel with a higher CPM, videos about the law of attraction, videos about financial, videos about stocks, real estate, things like that, digital real estate, things like that. They have a higher CPM on YouTube, and you get paid more money for doing that. So it's your boy Young World. Hope you like this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.